welcome to Dream Weddings. In India, when every occasion is an excuse for celebration, weddings in particular are more than enough reason for Indian families to go all out. It's a riot of colors and merrymaking for weeks on end. Little surprise then that with some weddings costing more than a crore each, India's wedding industry is pegged at over $25 billion, approximately the GDP of a small African country. All said and done, of course, we love our big fat Indian weddings, especially when it involves the who's who of Bollywood, the business world and of course politics. This wedding is a starry deal indeed, as it throws into light the chairman and MD of Raheja Builders, Naveen Raheja, his son Nayan, marrying the beautiful Kashish Goyal.
From a huge pandal resembling a Rajasthani palace to the beautiful decorations, everything at Nayan and Kashish's wedding spelled grandeur. Majestically lit arches, exotic floral decorations and lotus ponds awaited the Bharat, which arrived with much fanfare. A royal affair indeed.
It all started when we saw the girl, we saw the family. After that we decided that we should give time to both the children and let it be an arranged love marriage. So many other events were done there. And the second function was decided that was supposed to be from our side, and that was because of the wildlife connector of the families. So we did another function that was Jangal Mein Mangal.
The theme was essentially palatial, very royal, very grand, and the client wanted us to do something which had not been done before. We met about 3 months ago, and that is when the entire thought process started. So there were initial meetings where the designs were being made and accepted, rejected. The core team comprised of about 20 people, and manpower that was involved in taking, which included carpenters, florists, drapers. And then money, budget is not relevant at all. What really matters is what is the end product, what is the end result, how beautiful or how grand is the wedding.
I think everything that's gone into the wedding till now has been very, very personal to our family's tastes, both on Kashish's side and my side. And it reflects in a lot of ways our personalities, the family's personalities, and their likings, and their warmth, and their hospitality, and their ideas. It is a dream wedding for both of us, and we feel very blessed to be having our wedding this way, in a very different kind of setting. The reason why we have this kind of attire is because it's also a little inspired by Bollywood. So you see a similar attire in a movie called Jodha Akbar, from what I'm aware. So yeah, so just the theme of a prince and a princess, and that's also in line with what Kashish is wearing today.
The outfit is from Anamika Khanna, and I was very sure I wanted to dress up as a Rajput bride, very regal, very royal, so I did know my look. And like you see, even the decor here is in a very Mughal setting. So being inspired by that and having that in mind, I chose my designer first and then picked my outfit. But Anamika does a lot of moti ka kaam, like you see, a lot of dabka, my lehenga. A lot of moti and dabka work mainly. Well, I'm wearing polki, it's called kundan. So my mang tika, like you see, is coordinated with the outfits. It's got an accent of moti in it. The set is completely polki, it's the Anka diamond. Again, these very kundan, gajrao kind of bangles. that accentuate the chuda, and also there is this kind of a big kada, and as a part of, since I'm a Marwari, we also have a custom of wearing bichwas. So we wear bichwas in our feet, and also payal, all coordinated to the mood of the jewelry. It's bigger than our dreams. I think it's better, bigger, huger than any girl can dream for herself. And credit only goes to our parents that they've been able to give us this beautiful journey and a beautiful experience for us to cherish all our lives.
Welcome back to Dream Weddings. Excess at every stage is certainly in order when it comes to dream weddings, and keeping up with the spirit, the Rahejas left no stone unturned, splurging on world-class performances. The cocktail evening soon became the most talked about event, with guests being entertained by the Moulin Rouge dancers flown in all the way from Paris, France.
When I was a lad, I was a little bit shy. Some chemical caught my eye. When I heard the jazz band strike up, so I had my mind made up. Now I'm getting older, nothing's in full swing. Now I'm getting older, going back to that thing.
It's the second time when we're here in India. We like it because it's different between our country and performing in India.
We like it so much because there is a lot of great expressions, a lot of good emotions. We like weddings, so amazing there.
Yes, this is a proud moment because this is the time when you know that you have gone through the one generation process and you're going to empower your new children. It is total transformation in the family now. We are getting a new daughter, a new expansion in the family, in overall setup. So we are really very happy. We are really very proud of all this.
You know, actually, me and Kashish, we are going for a honeymoon to Brazil to catch the Rio Carnival that's happening in February. And there's a lot of people who are saying, that because we haven't seen it before and a lot of family people haven't seen it before, we said, how can we bring in that flavor and show people what the carnival is all about? And that's the reason why we have the masquerade Moulin Rouge theme happening here. And we're looking forward to the evening. There's going to be some really kick-ass performances tonight. Very, very excited to have found the right person to spend the rest of my life with. And also very nervous because there's a lot of new things that I'm getting used to, especially kind of taking the responsibility of being with of a new person in your life. So yes, a bit of both.
I'm so happy to be here to take part in the celebrations of Nayan's wedding with Kashish. Nayan happens to be next dip site and my very favorite student. And I've lived to see this most awaited day. They had big celebrations in Ranthambore, and starting with today here, everything seems so magical. They are really out of a magical spell. They're both so lovely looking and they make a great couple. I wish them the very, very best, and I do hope they continue to be as charming as they are today.
My name is Yusuf Khan. I'm director of the group, Raija Group. I used to be chairman of Jammu Kashmir Bank. To attend this wedding is part of the overall wedding. I attended a couple of other functions. One was in Srinagar, that was the engagement function. It's great fun to attend this wedding.
It's a fabulous evening. All our nears and dears are here. I'm glad that they could all make it. Some people have come from far, far away. And I'm very happy that my dear brother Nayan is getting married to this fabulously nice, beautiful looking girl, and she's such a wonderful human being. I'm happy for them, and it was we've been looking forward to this, and I'm happy it's actually happening. It's like a dream come true, not just for the family, but of course for Nayan and Kashish.
Wedding is complete without its song and dance. Before the solemnity of the wedding rituals, this is one night when friends and family get together to let their hair down.
Bringing Paris to Delhi, well, you have to agree that was quite an exciting pre-nuptial affair. No wonder then that guests drove home that night wondering what exactly was in store for them on the actual day.
Indian marriages are never just about two people tying the knot. It's about two families coming together to make merry and celebrate the couple's wedding. It is essentially this spirit that the Rahejas and Goyals have captured in the wedding of Nayan and Kashish.
I'm here because a very dear friend and his son who's getting married. Nayan is getting married. And for me, this is a very personal moment for people I've known for a very long time. I'm really happy that all their friends are enjoying themselves thoroughly. It's a dazzling event. We are not quite accustomed to this kind of dazzle and razzmatazz, but they worked hard for it. They're a lovely young couple, and I wish them the best. And I will savor as much of this as I can, because these will become very valuable memories.
दोनों कपल बहुत अच्छे हैं। हमारी शुभकामना है, हार्दिक मंगल कामना करने हम लोग आए हैं रहेजा जी के पुत्र का। हाँ, काफ़ी अच्छा सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं। सोसाइटी के अच्छे लोग यहाँ उपस्थित हैं, सब लोग। हमारी हार्दिक शुभकामना है, बधाई है रहेजा जी को, उनके पूरे परिवार को।
The difference between the wedding here and in my country is that this wedding is warm, it's alive, it's happening, and in my country it tends to be a little bit more considerate and staid and conservative.
I think the moment we came in, we were like instantly transported to this king's palace. It's like a king's daughter's wedding. Nayan is looking gorgeous. He's the Prince Charming, and Kashish is like really looking like a princess today. The decor, the detail, the attention to detail is amazing. You know, from the lotus in the wands to just the flowers, the tips, the rose buds that are hanging at the tips. If you notice, people are actually taking pictures of the decor.
Yeah.
It's that gorgeous. It's just grand.
It's actually that concept. It's beautiful, and we are from the groom's side. So we would really like to extend a word of thanks to the bride's side for making this evening such a beautiful experience for all of us here.
From an exotic Moulin Rouge cocktail evening to a Jodha Akbar themed wedding. Well, the fairy tale doesn't seem to end for the Rahejas. A Roman garden awaits the happy couple tonight, and as always, it looks like a magical night lies ahead. Let's take a look.
Every girl dreams that her wedding will be like a fairy tale. A handsome prince, beautiful decor, fragrant flowers, celebrations with family and friends, and love in the air. Making her D-Day a day to remember indeed.
Wedding is a tie for life. So I wish them all success in their married life, and they should succeed in it. They're happy, they should be happy and live for long life.
The uniqueness of this wedding is the warmth behind the celebration, and rags to riches. Everybody who's close to the heart of Naveen is invited. That is the uniqueness of this wedding. Blissful, beautiful, and best.
I think a wedding in Delhi is always very lovely, and what I can see is a lot of nice, easygoing people. They're lovely dressed. I think the calmness of this wedding is the nicest because I'm not seeing anybody running frantically from here to there, which usually happens in a wedding. So it's very nice. Everyone is chilled. Everyone is settled. It's lovely. It's very peaceful.
I think the bride was beautifully dressed, very unusual for an Indian bride. And I think the young people are looking at new ways of celebrations. And I welcome any change in the normal. I got married 50 years ago. It would take hours to say. It was so simple when I got married. And it's so different now. Young people are thinking of new things, and those who can afford it, the sky is the limit for them.
I like the decor also, the way they've done the lighting. It's not on your face. It's so discreet. And it's a great thing. It's very quiet, it's dignified. It's not it's like a family. Yeah? This chap is a friend of mine here. The last word, man, for guys, the last word you should always have, I'm sorry.
It's so wonderful that two young people are coming together and we are celebrating this event. It's very wonderfully put together. It's a very elegant evening and the very beautiful people here wearing very beautiful clothes and jewelry. So I'm just really happy to be here. It's nice to be part of a happy event. I think the bride looks beautiful. I think they look great together. I'm very happy for them. I wish them a wonderful future together.
I got married when I was 20 years old. So that's about 27 years back. And when I look at my albums then, I think my dad did one of the most beautiful weddings. So I always wanted her to dress like a princess, like a queen. And I think I was always looking at all the old jewels, even the Nizam's jewels. I would go and do research. I was so fond of how Kashish would look as a bride. So from her nuts to her mang tika, I think everything we designed it especially for this day. Even her bazuband for that matter was inspired by an old piece. So she's traditionally dressed as a bride. We dressed her up in Rajasthan and Mughal combination, and we created everything to be a royal wedding. What she's wearing today is uncut diamonds. That is what her mother-in-law has made her wear. It's a reception today, so she wears everything from the Rahejas side. So at the wedding, she wears what we make her wear. So she was wearing all again polki with real rubies and emeralds, and she was wearing, it was all basically all Indian jewelry.
Wow, it's certainly been a series of spellbinding events, and like all great love stories, we wish the Rahejas a happily ever after. We hope you enjoyed watching the show, and as you can see, dream weddings really do come true. Until next time, goodbye.
Solitaires बहुत important role play करते हैं. ये डेली पहनने के भी काम आते हैं. So it is good that you should allocate some money out of your spending into solitaires. सोना आज की तारीख के अंदर महंगा हो गया है और डायमंड कुछ ग्रेड्स के अंदर सस्ता हो गया है. So you end up buying diamond jewelry which is cheaper as to the value than gold jewelry. So we must add a lot of diamond content to the jewelry buying so that we can create more of value for money. हम उसमें से निकाल पाएं. Example की बात है, एक गिन्नी, that means a gold coin of 8 grams will cost in today's date around 24,000. Whereas a diamond ring will cost 12,000, 14,000, 18,000, 20,000 even.